I'm teacher Kristen, and I'm here with my nephews, Paul and Joey.
Hello. Hi.
And they're going to help me read Pigs Make Me Sneeze.
I'm going to be Gerald.
I'm going to be Piggy.
And I'm going to be Dr. Cat.
Go ahead.
Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Willems.
Gerald, what do you want to do today?
I want to.
Yes?
A
what? A ball? A swim? A hat?
Shoo!
Are you okay?
I don't know. Achoo! Cannot stop achoo! Sneezing. Oh no. What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo!
What if you tried to sneeze more softly?
Sorry. But if pigs make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever.
But, Gerald...
No, do not speak. It's too late. Chew. Goodbye.
Gerald.
Are you okay, Gerald?
No, I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze, and Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great, now cats make me sneeze too.
I don't think that pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold.
A cold?
You are sick.
I am sick? Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, great news. I have a cold.
Good for you. The end. Thanks for reading with us.
Bye.
Till next time.
Bye.
See you later.